see here. I got one done. I think that's what I'm going to do, is go one at a time here. It just makes it easier because I don't have enough pins, enough anchor pins to hold everything into shape. So that's what I'm going to do, is just one at a time. Do one, you know, all the way around. And then once it's done, then I can work on it. Okay. Here's the items that I'm going to be using. I have my water, plenty of water. Use a lot of water for cleaning up too, cleaning my hands and stuff. But also have my cement, my mixing tools, my forms, my templates, and some extra containers there. And I also have my mixing tub here that I put the cement in. Alright, I'm ready to go. Alright, I'm ready to go. Today is a new day. It's the next day. Too windy yesterday to do any filming, so I decided to do it today. So it's early in the morning. It's like 60 something degrees. It's nice out. So, first things first, I'm going to try to mix up some of the cement. Again, don't breathe this dust. It's not good for you. I'm not going to mix the whole bag. I'll just mix what I need right now. Alright, let's do this without killing my back. I inhaled that. Alright. Yeah, this container makes it nice and easy to mix cement. I mean, you don't need to use this container, but I already have one from doing previous jobs. And they're not that expensive anyway to get anyway, so if you wanted to get one, it's not too bad. Alright, this is looking pretty good. I like this. That looks good. That's looking good. Okay, we're going to put this in here. See, by tapping this, it's bringing the moisture to the surface. It's making it smooth. That's what you want to do. Okay, I can add more later. But right now I got to make the other arm. But before I make the other arm, let me take this off. Do this now, just shake it. Whoops, be careful. And there we go, we got one. It's been about an hour. I had to give it time to dry because it was too wet before. Now it's starting to firm up, but I've been working it as it's drying, reshaping it, getting it the way this hair. See, too runny here. See, can't do much, and runny here. See, so I'm just going to let that dry a little bit. Then I'm going to be adding more concrete to it, putting our designs in it, making it fancy. I'll be adding a little bit more right here. So Still working on it. All right, let the fun begin. All right, I'm going to be doing small batches of concrete. Fix this, get this fixed here. Well, it's time to let it dry. And then we'll do some other stuff to it. All right, that's it. Now this is a gloss paint that I used, which I don't like. I wanted a matte finish. And I know what you're supposed to do is you can take baking soda, mix it with the paint, and it'll give you a matte finish, but I didn't want to do that, so I'm going to try doing it this way. I'll add it now. And then I'll brush it in. I've done this before and it works, so try it again. Then when it dries, I'll brush off the excess. Now if I was going to keep this outside, I'm going to be putting another coat of paint on it, but if I was going to keep this outside, I would put a clear coat over the whole thing to protect it. Even though this is exterior paint, I'd still put a clear coat over it. Alright, that should work. Let the paint dry now and I'll dust it off later. Alright, I'm going to let this dry for a couple hours. I'm going to go have lunch. Come back. See how it looks. Still got a lot more work to do. I'm going to be adding more concrete. So it's going to look good. We're going to put some